Hello, hi, my name is Joraby and I want to welcome you to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video, guys. This video is going to be a what's in my bag on this Love Moschino crossbody bag. But there's something different that I want to show you at the end of this video. So if you're curious to know what that something is, keep watching. Okay, so let's get straight into what's in my Love Moschino bag. So here is the view, the front view of it. This side, the other side. Here's the back of it. And here's the bottom. And here is the top view. So it has a chain strap as the top handle. Look at the zipper pulls. You can see here how they have the little heart shape cut out here. Juicy Couture does this heart cutout as well. So I just now noticing that it has a cutout on the zipper pull like Juicy Couture. And then here's the strap. It's a shoulder strap. It has this extra piece of leather here for cushion. It's right here. And it is adjustable. And I purchased this bag from TJ Maxx. So let me try to give you an overview. It's a double entry handbag. So you have two zippers here on the top, one here and one here. So let's open up both of these. So like that. I'm trying. So here's a look of the inside. So I'll start with the front pocket. This handbag is kind of small for me. Let me see if I can get this to stay. Okay, so I was saying that this handbag is kind of small. So there's not much here. So should be a quick video. I have my phone, which is here. I have my catch-all pouch, looks like this, and inside of my catch-all pouch, which is by Vera Bradley, is just some
Lens wipes. I have some lubricant eye drops, my tie stick to go, a hair tie, another lens wipe, some wet ones, my dental floss, a cloth face to pat my face with, some band-aids, Yasex, and my pill pouch.
Okay, so in this front section also I have my AirPod case, which matches my watch band that I'm wearing. I think that's cute. So I also have my pocket knife. And so that is all that I had in the main compartment of the first section. And there's also a slip pocket here. And I have my Kleenex, my new to me Bath and Body Works hand cream. This is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Shea Butter hand cream. And I really like the way it smells. And then I have my favorite lip gloss from MAC, which is called Explicit. That's what this is, my lip gloss. And my Soft Lips watermelon flavored lip balm. And so that section is empty. And then the back section, I have my eyeglass case, which holds two pair of eyeglasses. I have a pair here and a pair here. You guys seen most of this stuff before. My key and my traveling pouch. And my wallet, and it looks like this. It is, in my opinion, the perfect shape and size for a wallet like, or a bag like this type of flat wallet. So I have my ID section here, and then there's a section here where I have some Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret coupons are in here. And then on the back side is where you can have your cards. And then at the top part is where you can keep your cash. Let's see. Oh, and then the back section has a zipper pocket, and in there I just have some gum and some mints in here. So that is all that I have in this Love Moschino crossbody and or shoulder bag. It's very, very pretty in my opinion. It's kind of punk looking a little bit to me, and the red interior, you guys, look at that. It is so pretty. I think that this handbag is, to me, this is quality. I think it's very well made, and I can't complain. It's just, for me, it's a little small, but you know, I'm always on a journey, you guys, to learn how to carry a small bag. I hope you guys enjoy the what's in my bag. This portion of the video, I want to introduce you to some goods that I am selling. There's one item that I want to introduce to you guys, and you let me know in the comment section what you think. I have these charms that I have imported from West Africa, in a country called Senegal in West Africa, and I have 9 of these for sale. This is a keychain or a purse charm, or you can use them as a hanging in your car on your rear view mirror as like a charm for your rear view mirror. You can use these however you want. I want to show you the leather. They're leather, and this is kind of like gimp. It's kind of like leather woven in with, I call this material gimp. You remember these? We used to make keychains and stuff out of that plasticky gimp material, but the tassel here is leather. So here's the underside of what it looks like. It's cow leather, and then they dyed it with black, red, and yellow stripes going across the tassels that you see here. This charm or keychain here is not conditioned. Here is a key charm or charm here that I conditioned, and you can see the difference in the color. I think I put what was it, kiwi leather conditioner on here, and it changed the color a little bit. It made it, in my opinion, more brighter and more vibrant, the color. See, can you see the difference? This looks more dull and a little lighter in color than this one. So if you guys are, and oh, you can also attach here to the loop whatever type of key ring that you want to, or string, or a piece of leather, or whatever. I decided to go with this silver, what is this, like a carabiner type of, what do you want to call this, like keychain here to it. So this item I will sell for $20 total shipped. If you are interested in purchasing one of these from me, you can email me at the email address. I'll list it in the description box, and or you can contact me on Instagram. All of that information will be down below in my description box. Okay, $20 shipped for one of these, I think, very unique keychain. You're not going to see a lot of people with one of these, and I only have 9 for sale. $20 shipped. If you want me to put the leather conditioner on it to brighten it up, it will cost $22. If you want me to put the leather conditioner, you would have to let me know in your email or your text to me if you want it untreated or treated. Now let me give you some quick measurements on this keychain. This keychain is approximately 6 inches long, a little shorter than 6 inches, about 5 3/4 inches long, and it's about 1 inch wide. You see here? See that on the ruler? So it's about 1 inch wide and approximately 6 inches long. So if you're interested, let me know. I am trying to start up like a small import business. I'm trying to import goods from West Africa here. And if you're interested, let me know. Okay. All right, you guys. So in conclusion, I want to say thank you all so very much for subscribing to my channel. The growth on my channel is fantastic. I'm over 300 subscribers, and I want to let you guys know how much I appreciate that. Thank you for all of your support. Big hug, group hug, yay! Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. And until next time, you guys, stay safe out there. Bye. Mwah.